Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series X controller, Pro Guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Xbox Series X controller. Make sure you have fresh AA batteries or a USB-C cable ready. If using batteries, insert them into the back compartment of the controller. Align the positive and negative ends correctly. For a wired connection, plug one end of the USB-C cable into the controller. Connect the other end to a USB port on your console. Once connected, turn on your Xbox Series X console. Press the Xbox button in the center of the controller to power it on. If using Bluetooth to connect to a PC, press and hold the Xbox button until it flashes, indicating pairing mode. On your PC, navigate to Settings, then Devices, and select Bluetooth. Choose Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the options provided. Your PC will search for devices, and the Xbox controller should appear. Select the Xbox controller from the list to complete the pairing process. Once paired, the Xbox button will stop flashing and remain. For customization, download the Xbox Accessories app on your PC or console. Open the app and select your connected controller. Explore various settings, including button mapping and sensitivity. Adjust the settings to your preference and save your configuration. You can also update the controller firmware for the latest features. After setup, test the controller in a game to ensure everything is functioning properly. Enjoy your gaming experience with your newly set up Xbox Series X controller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.